Okay, good morning, grade 5. We are already in page 107. Solving word problems on percentage. Okay, can you hear me clearly? Thumbs up, please, if you can hear me clearly. Thumbs up.
Sorry.
Okay, clear. No, clear now?
Can hear him.
Okay, can hear. Okay. So, we are in page, what page is this? 107. Okay, rule of 3. It says here, the rule of 3 can be used as a fast way to find the percentage of a quantity. For example, I know you are confused of this one. Do not worry, we have many examples. Here. So example 7. Who can read example 7? I want Patharapon sila to read the example 7.
Yeah. 300 change
Children.
children at up 20% for them are boys. Pen
Find.
number of boys.
Okay. Okay, who can understand the problem? The problem here, there are 300 children. Okay? There are 300 children. Where? In the party. At a party. So, we don't know how many are boys, how many are girls. But it says here, there are 300 children. So, there are 300 children. And they give us 20%, meaning 20% of them is or are boys. So how many percent is the girls? 80%. To have 100%. But the question here, how many are the boys? So find, it says here, find the number of boys. So how many people, how many boys is 20%? Or it says here, it's like the 20% of 300. 20% of boys, 20% of boys of 300 from the 300 children. Okay? Because the children here is composed of Malaybang, girls and boys. There are girls and boys in these children in 300. But the question here, find the number of the boys, which is 20%. So the question here, what is 20% of 300? Okay, method number 1. Huh? Wait for a while, we don't know. It's here, okay. Method number 1. 20%, it means 20 out of, 20 out of 100. Out of 100, but we are talking here 300. If there are 100 children, if there are 100 children, it means 20% means 20 boys. Again. Samot ma. 20%, it means, 20 out
20
of 100.
out of 100.
It means, if there are 100 children, it means there are 20 boys. How many children do we have? 300. 300. So we will add here. 100 กับ 100 ใช่ไหม 100 children 100 children ใช่ไหม a total of
Yes.
300 ใช่ไหมครับ อันนี้ out
Yes.
of 100 there are 20 boys ใช่ไหม 20% อันนี้ 20% ใช่ไหมครับ so you add everything how much how many 60 boys meaning that 20% of 300 is equal to 60. Okay, 60. Again, the 20% of 300 is equal to 60. ใช่ไหม Why? Again, ทำไมอ่ะทำไม Because again, we will break down this one. We will break down 300, 100, 100,กับ 100. What is 20% of 100? 20. What is 20% of 100? 20. What is 20% of 100? 20. You add everything 600. How? 60. Sorry, 60. And how many children? 300. No? So that is 60. So meaning that 20% of 300 is equal to 60. Correct? Okay? So this is the easiest understanding. But I will give you another technique. No, I think it's easier technique and short. Because for example, teacher Juvin will say, what is 20% of 600? So you will write here 100. I'm sorry, 100 like this now. Very far, very long. 3, 4, 5, 6. This one equal to 20. Ani me 20. Ani me 20. Ani me 20. There is 20. There is 20. You add everything. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 120. So this is very long. So we will have a short technique. I will teach you the short technique. Now here, very easy technique. Now what is the 20% of 300? Now, example number 7. So example number 7 here, there are 300 children. 20% of them are boys. Find the number of the boys. Method number 2. We can find the answer faster by doing the rule of 3. Okay? Rule of 3. What is this? Okay. It says here, if there are 100 children, it means 20% of 100 is equal to 20. So what is the rule of 3 here? If there are 300 children, there are 300 children. There 20% of 300 will be 300 times 20 is divided by 100. Okay na? 300. Okay na. This one is the easiest one. Remember this one. Everybody copy. Everybody write this one in the book. 20%. Notebook. 20% of 300. How? 300 times 20 divided by 100. Okay, divided by 100. 300 times 20 divided by 100. Or I will write here, or 300 times 20 divided by 100. Again, this is percent of a number. Percent of a number. Okay, another one. So very easy, very easy. Did you write it? Did you write this one? So it will become 300 times 20. 300 times 20. So that is 3 times 2 is 6. And you count all the 0. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 6,000. Right? That is the short one. And this one is the long one. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 6. That is 0, 0, 0, 6. So 6,000, 6,000 is the same. Now 6,000 divided by 100. 600, 6, 600, bring down 0. 0 divided by 100 is 0, 0, 0. 60 is the answer. It means, everyone, there is, you know what? There is no problem with this one. I know. There is no problem in multiplication and division. I just want you to remember, how are you going to get the percent of a number? For example, here na, 20%, sorry, 20% of 300 will become 300 times 20 divided by 100. Another example, 10% of 700. Yang ay na, it will become 700 times 10 divided by 100. Okay na? Okay na? 10% of 700 will become 700 times 10 divided by 100. Remember that one, you need to write that one. You need to write that one. You need to write that one, huh? 700 times 10 divided by 100. So that is 70. I think that is 70 per 70. No, no percent. We are getting how many, what is the number? No, what's the number? Okay, for example, another one. For example, what is 25% of 80? Yang ay na? How are we going to do that? Percent 80 first, am I? Look at that one. 700, see? Number going there, multiplied by percent divided by 100. Meaning, the first here is, what's the first one here? 80, 80 con.
80
80 times
25
25 divided by 100. No?
100.
There is no problem in multiplication, Shamay. So I want you to remember this one. And another one. What is 15% of 781? This is difficult. Do not worry, we will not multiply. It will become 781 times 15 divided by 100. I want you to remember this one. How are you going to get the fifth? What is what is the number, or what is 15% of 781? For example, here. Another example is There is a t-shirt. A t-shirt. Narong read? Narong read ja?
Yes.
Give me a brand that you like. What brand? What t-shirt that you like? You like a t-shirt. What
Shirt,
brand?
shirt.
What shirt?
Lacoste.
Lacoste. Okay, Lacoste. So this one is Lacoste, for example. For example, na this is Lacoste. Then it says there, how much? For example, 1,350 baht. Now, this one is sale. There is a sale here. What do you mean by sale na? Discount, may discount.
Sale.
Sale. The sale here is
ALL.
15% discount. The question here, how much are you going to pay? Chamay? So meaning, we will get first, how much is 15% or 15% of 1,350. Anikon. Now, what is 15% of 1,350? So how are we going to answer that one? 1,350 multiplied by 15 over 100. That is, it means this is 15% of 1,350. Aria? Okay. So, you understand now. How are you going to answer that one? Don't worry, we will not multiply. All I want here is what? All I want here is you to understand how to get the percent of a number. Percent of a number. For example, another example, I want you to tell me. What is, you need to remember now, what is 55% of 181, like that. So what should we do here?
181 times
81. 95 over 100.
Okay.
100.
You need to remember that one. What is 55% of 181? It's very easy. 181 times 55 over 100. Okay, let's go for try it. Page 108. Page 108 of your textbook. Page 108. I will type first. Okay, and I will ask textbook. Yes, textbook. We will not use workbook this time. There are 300 students. Okay. In primary 5. What is primary 5? Chamay? In primary 5, if 60%, if 60% of the students are boys, find the number of boys in primary 5. How are we going to answer that one? How are we going to answer this? Okay, there are 300 students in Poha, for example, so that you will know. This is, for example, I will put a shape here. Shape circle. Okay. For example, this is the grade 5 students. This is the number of grade 5 students. This one here, this circle is equivalent to 300 students. Okay, 300 students. Okay, 300 students. Now, 60% อันนี้ 50% ใช่ไหมตรงนี้ half ครึ่ง 50% meaning we will get the more than half meaning like this มั้ง yeah and then like that no like that so meaning let's color this one into red this one here this one over here is the boys are the boys 60% I'm explaining here are you listening
Yes.
okay good 60% the color what color is this violet
Pink.
this pink no this color pink is equivalent to 60% is 60%. So the question here, how many boys meaning we need to get the number of the boys, Shamai? We need to get the number of the boys. We will not what? We will not get the percentage. We will not get the percent, but we will get the number of the boys. So how many boys is 60%? Okay. How many boys is 60%? This one here is 60%. Samay? 60%.
Okay.
That is the equivalent for boys. So here it will become what is 60% of 300? Am I right? How many is 60%? It's like that. Samay amunrat. Everyone, no? So the question here, it says there are 300 students, but it did not say the number of boys. It did not say the number of the girls, but it says there are 60% of the students are boys. Shall I have? Now the question there, what is or how many students is there in 60%? Samay? So how are we going to do that? So meaning that is 60% of 300. Now the shortest one or the one that I teach you, we need to 300 times 20 60 sorry 60 divided by
100.
100. Now you can do this like this. No, you can do like this. Now I will give you the easiest one. We can remove the zeros. We can remove the zero of 0. So it will become 3 times 60
50.
over 1 or nothing. 3 times 60 is 3 times 6.
18.
18. Add
18.
0, 180.
Yes.
Am I? So let's do the long multiplication here. 60 times 3. 0, 18. Am I? 180 boys. Okay na? Remember this one. I will teach you again. 300 out 300 no. 60% of 300. Yang ay na? 300 over 100 times 60. Ngay kwa. Samay? Ani ngay sut. Very easy. The easiest one. Then remove the 0. Can we remove the 0? Of course we can. So remove the 0. You count. We have 2 zeros here. We have 2 zeros here. It means it will become 3 times 60 over 1 or equal to 180. Another example. So it's very clear in my mind. 20% of 700. Yang ay na? First, 700 over 100 multiplied by 20. Yang the same. So we can cancel the 0, remove the 0, 1, 2, 1, 2. meaning we cannot get the 0 here. So it will become 7 times 20 over 1 or 140 over 1. Understand? Another one. I want you to try. What is 25% of 200? This is easy. It will become 200 over
100.
100, no? It's always over 100 times
25.
25. Now, can we cut the number?
0, 0.
Okay, you need to count the 0 na. 1, 2, meaning you will remove 1, 2. So it will become 2 times 25 over 1 or equal to 50 over 1 or 50. Samay na? Very easy. And I will give you different one. For example, we have 65%. What is 65% of 250? Ani? What should we do here? Everyone?
250 times 65.
250 over
100.
100
100
times
times
65. Now,
55.
how many zeros can we get? Can we remove?
3, 0.
Huh?
30.
3? Only
Zero,
one.
zero.
One.
1.
Like that. Huh?
Oh.
Only 1 0 that we can get. So is equal to will become 25. Wait for a while. Not yet. So will become 25 over 10 times 65. Now, what are the numbers that we can cut? That number. What
5,
number?
55 and
55 and 65.
65 and
25.
no, may die. Ani over 1 na, over 1 fraction.
Oh.
For example, A, B, C, D. We can cut. Tat yang ngay na. Tat B cup C ko dai. A cup D ko dai. But, tewa. A cup C may dai. B cup D may dai. Okay, may? No? Cannot.
Yeah.
So 25 and 65 cannot. So we will cut going there
10
no?
and 25.
or going there or here going here, here going here. So we can cut 65 and 10 or 10 and 25. It's up to you. So let's cut first the 25 and 65. 10 and 65 divided by
6.
5.
5. Can cut 20 by 5, right? Cut
Yeah.
divided by 5 becomes 2. Why become 2? 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2.
2.
And then 65 divided by 5 is equal to 13. Cheng Ma, 13. Okay, so we have the final here. We already have what's this? We have 25 times 13 over 2. Samay? Or divided by 2. So it will become 25 times 13. 25 times 13. 15 carry 1. 6, 7, 5, 2, 5, 12, 1, 3. 325 over 2. Samay? So divided by 2. 325 divided by 2 is equal to 1, 2, minus becomes 1, 2, 6, 12, bring down 5, 2, 4, that is 1, add point, add 0, So it will become the answer. The final answer is 162.5. Never mind with the answer because I am teaching you how are you going to cut the number here. No, because this one is a little bit difficult already. Okay. First one. Let's start the easy one. Easy first now. Easy. Teacher Jubin, give easy. Okay. Here. I will give you easy one. Nah? And everyone, are you listening? Okay.
Yes.
What is the 6% of 300? Ani na? Easy. So first, what should we do here? 300 over
100.
100 times
6.
6. Second step, look at the number if we can cut the number. What numbers can we cut? 0 and 0. How many zeros?
4. 0, 0, 0, 0.
2 zeros, no? Two below, 2 up there. Am I? 2 below here, below 2, remove the 0, remove the 0. It should be the same. 2 and 2, not 1 and 2. No? 2 and 2. Remember a while ago we have 25% of 250. So 250 over 100. So we can cut only 1 0. Samay? We only cut 1 0 because only 1 0 up here. So only 1 0 down there. Samay? Samay kap? Oy, samay? So that is the cutting. Now it will become 3 times 6 is equal to
18.
18. Okay. So the 6% of 300 is equal to 18. Kaujay. No? So that's it. So another example, Teacher Juvin will give example so that everyone will not get confused. One by one, Mai? One by one. How Mai? One by one. Okay, another example. 5% of 75. This one has no cut. Okay. Ma. Hands up if you want to answer. What will happen here? What will happen here?
Teacher, may I tutor it, please?
Yes. What will happen here?
75 over 100.
Okay, yes, correct. Do not be afraid. 75 over 100 times 5.
5.
Then look at the number if we can cut the number or not.
Can.
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 75 and 5.
75 and 5 may die ngay. Only the same line. So for example, now we can cut 75 over 100 times 5. We can cut, I will use another color. We can cut like this, going there, or color blue, this one and this one. Going, I will use color yellow na. This one to this one may die. Kazay may? Kazay pa?
Okay.
So 75 and 5 may die. So we will start with, it's up to you. Which one? Which one? Where? Tell me where to cut. Tell me where to cut. What numbers?
175.
175 is okay. Very good. Divided by tolai.
25.
Very good. 75 divided by 25. Ani 100 divided by 25. So the answer here is 3. The answer here is
4.
4. So it will become 3 over 4 times 5. Now, can we cut the number? No more. 3 and 4 cannot. Leku kableki. 4 and 5 cannot. Leku and leki. So it will become 3 times 5 is equal to
15.
15.
15. 15 over 4. It means 15 divided by 4. 3, sama 3, 12 minus 3 add point, add 0. เท่าไหร่ 4 times 7. 7 ใช่ไหม 28 minus 2.
2.
2 divided by 4 cannot to add 0. 20 divided by 4.
5.
5. 5 times 4, 20, 0, 0. So the answer is 3.75. Okay? 3.75. This is just an example. This is just an example. So I am just continuing the example. I want you to become a master, no? Master of from percent. What is the percent of a number? No? What is a percent? This one is, what is 5% of 75? No? Now, let's try now one by one. The first one here in my screen is Narongrit. Narongrit. Next is Jaruan. Next is Junlajak. Next is Ratapum. First one is for Narongrit. Narongrit. Okay na? Everybody should listen to Narongrit. Okay. Narongrit, I will give easy numbers. No? What is 5% of 500? What should we do here?
500 over 100.
Very good.
Times
500 over 100 times 5. What should we do next?
Cut
Cut the,
0.
cut how many zeros?
2.
1, 2, and up here, 1,
1, 2.
2. So it will become 5 times 5
5.
over 1. So, is
Yes.
equal to
25.
25. May check percent na? May check percent. The question here is, what is 5% of 25? So how many people is 5% in 500 people? So 25 people is equal to 5%. Okay, next one is Jaruan. Jaruan, this is for you, Jaruan. Jaruan. Ready, Jaruan? Teacher Juvin will give easy first. Teacher Juvin will give easy. What is 15% of 200? What should we do here? Jaruan? What should we do here, Jaruan?
200 over 100 times 50.
Very good. Times 15. What's the next one?
Cut the 0.
How many zeros?
2.
Okay. 2 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. It will become 2 times 15 over 1 is equal to
30.
30 over 1 or 30. Perfect. Kaujai, no? Easy. Very easy if this one has 2 zeros. Very easy if that is 2 zeros. Okay, I will give 2 zeros today. Yeah? So this one is for Junlajak. Junlajak for you. This one is what is 65% of 900? What should we do here?
900 over 100.
Okay. Times
65.
Times 65. What should we do next?
Cut 2 0.
Cut the 2 zeros in the numerator and denominator. So it will become 9 times 65 over 1. So what is the answer here? 65 times 9, 9 times 60, 9 times 5.
3,285.
Let's say 45 ใช่ไหม 45 9 times 6 2
9
4
times 6.
50 54 plus 4 58. Oh, 58 585
Oh,
ma'am.
teacher is wrong. I answer wrong.
Yes, so the answer is 585. Okay.
585. Oh.
Okay, 585. Don't worry. Now, so I want you to master this one. If you see this one, 65% of 900, it should be 900 over 100 times 65. Okay, ratapum, ratapum, ratapumza. Is ratapum here? Is ratapum here? Here, okay. Now, this is for ratapum. Ratapum, what is 14% of 300? Ratapum. Ratap 300.
300 over 100 times 14.
Very good. What's next? Not ratapum.
That's 0, 2.
2 zeros. Okay. 2 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. It will become 3 times
Times 14.
14 over 1 or no over 1. It's still the same. So 3 times 14, ratapum. 3 times 4.
Say so. That means
3 times 4 ngay. Easy, 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is
2.
12. Not 12. Carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1. 4. 42. So the answer is
42
42.
over 1.
Over 1 or 42. Okay, do not be angry, ratapum. We can hear you. Okay, so this one is for patarapon. Patarapon. I think this is the last one, and I will give only 2 questions for the album today. So what is Pepper? This is for you now, Pepper. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. What is 12% of 200? What should we do here?
200,
200
100 times
over
100.
100 times
12.
12. Next, what will happen?
Cut 0.
Cut 2
Two
zeros in the numerator and denominator. So what will happen next? It will become
12 times 12
times
2.
Okay, 2 times 12 or 12 times 2 is okay. Over 1 or no over 1 is equal to 2 times 12.
24.
24. Perfect. Everybody is correct. Get your notebook. Please write the date and answer this one. Answer this one. Show you're doing. After this, I will check the attendance again. If you are still there, if not, I will announce in the group chat that you did not finish the class. Question number 1. What is 25% of 700? Number 2, show you're doing na. What is 34% of 800? This is very easy because we have 2 zeros here. I will check the attendance. Please say something. Say, sir, yes, teacher, I'm here, like that. So I will call one by one. Aria, are you here? Aria, 1. Aria, 2. Area 3, Area 4, Area 5, Area did not finish the class. Samay? Area here, may? Mayu. Area did not finish the class. Patarapon Sila, are you here?
Yes.
Amonrat, are you here?
Yes.
Piachay, are you here?
Yes.
Pumtanapat, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, good. Pakin, are you here?
Yes.
Tanapon, are you here?
อยู่ครับ
Tanawat, are you here?
Yes.
Ratapum, are you here?
Yes.
Natikan, are you here? Natikan. Junladzak, are you here?
I'm here.
Patipan, are you here?
Yes.
Kanon, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Narungrit, are you still here?
Yes.
Maika, are you here?
Yes.
Pinchanok, are you here? Not, no. Morakan, are you here? Morakan 1. Morakan, yes. Jaruwan, are you here?
Yes.
Lamon, are you here?
Yes.
Very good. And the last one is Wirada. Are you here, Wirada?
Yes.
Very good. Kanyanat, are you here? Very good. So see you again later for our
I
science
finished
class.
now.
Bye bye everyone.
Bye bye.
Ay,
Bye,
Af-
bye, 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 bye.
wait, shut up. Pass that one in the album, okay?
Okay.
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 Album, please. Album. See you again later for the science class. Bye bye.
See you again.
Bye.